Hi everybody and welcome back to SiArtShopChannel. Okay guys, this is a little intro regarding a picture that I've made, and I've made a tutorial for you all to follow on how to make it, and I just wanted to show you it before you actually follow the tutorial, because I'm good like that. Yes, I am. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you what I mean. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Can you see that in the light? So what I've done here is I've used different bits and pieces that would normally be thrown away, and there's also some old coffee beans on there as well, if you can see those. And I've sort of made it into a steampunky theme. If you can see the cogs there, and there's keys and that's kind of things, and rings and bits and pieces. But basically most of it is things that we'd normally throw away and go into landfill. So I've made a luxury piece of art out of a lot of old rubbish, and I just wanted to show you that so that you guys can do it. Now I've made a tutorial, and there's only one on this particular one, and I've done a slightly different, or made a different style of one, because I don't talk on it. All you see is how to make it, and I've put it to music. And I hope you like the music, because it's very dramatic, and it's pretty self-explanatory really. So I thought I'm not going to speak on it, because you can just watch me do it, and I've made it into little clips and made it into one big tutorial, and it's all very easy to follow. So I thought that would be the best course of action. Now let me know in the comments below if you like this style of teaching, because I may do some other tutorials in the same sort of style if you like them, okay? And go from there. So that's it guys, follow the tutorial and you will make one of these luxury multi-medium pictures, okay? So thanks for watching guys, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now, thanks for watching.